Hello, IELTS aspirants! Welcome to a guide designed to help you conquer the IELTS reading subtest and aim for a score of 7 bands and above. The International English Language Testing System, better known as IELTS, is a globally recognized evaluation of your English language proficiency. Today, we focus on its reading subtest, shedding light on its intricacies and arming you with strategies to help you excel. So, buckle up and get ready to elevate your preparation. Let us begin by understanding the format of this test. The reading subtest consists of 3 passages with a total of 40 questions. These passages are not all created equal. Some might be straightforward, while others might take you on a complex journey through diverse topics. That's the beauty of it. You never know what you might encounter, which makes preparation all the more crucial. Now let's talk time management. Time is of the essence in this subtest. With 60 minutes on the clock and 3 passages to conquer, you're looking at roughly 20 minutes per passage. It's a delicate balance. Spend too long on one question, and you might find yourself rushing through the rest. So here's a tip. If you're unsure about a question, let it go for now. Move forward and circle back later. Now let's move on to some essential reading strategies. Mastering the reading subtest requires strategic reading. Let's start with skimming and scanning. Skimming is a rapid reading method that allows you to grasp the main idea of a passage quickly. It's like flying over the text with eagle eyes, catching the larger picture. On the other hand, scanning is your searchlight. It's an efficient technique to locate specific information, like names, dates, or keywords. Next, we have predictive reading. It's a little like forecasting the weather. By anticipating the answers before examining the options, you can enhance your focus and save valuable time. It's all about thinking ahead. Lastly, let's not forget about strategic highlighting and underlining. Consider this your treasure map. By marking crucial information, you create a quick reference guide that can be a lifesaver during question solving. With these strategies in mind, let's discuss how to navigate different question types. The reading subtest contains various question types. Let's break them down. First up, multiple choice questions. These may seem straightforward, but they can be tricky. The key here is to read all the options before deciding on your answer. Also, try to eliminate choices that are obviously incorrect. This will narrow down your options and increase your chances of selecting the right answer. Next, we have the true/false/not given challenges. The trick here is to distinguish between false and not given statements. Remember, false means the passage contradicts the statement, while not given means the passage doesn't provide information to verify the statement. Lastly, let's talk about matching headings or features. Here, you'll need to match headings or features to paragraphs based on the main idea of each paragraph. Pay close attention to synonyms and paraphrasing, as they can be very helpful. Now that we've covered different question types, let's explore some problem-solving strategies. Effective problem-solving is key in achieving a high score. One of the best strategies to tackle these challenges is prioritizing questions. Begin with those that seem more manageable to you. It's not a race to answer all questions at once. If you find yourself stuck, don't hesitate to move on and return to it later. It's about working smart, not just working hard. Another crucial aspect is understanding instructions thoroughly. Make sure you comprehend the task before you start responding. Pay close attention to keywords like except, not, all, and so on. Misinterpreting these can lead to unnecessary mistakes. Last, but certainly not least, is the emphasis on practice. Engage in timed practice exercises regularly. Familiarity with question types and patterns is paramount. It's like training for a marathon. The more you train, the better you perform. Remember, practice and strategy are your keys to success. Excelling in the IELTS reading subtest requires a combination of strategic reading, adept time management, and effective problem-solving skills. It's crucial to remain calm and composed throughout the exam, allowing your preparation to guide you. If time permits, seize the opportunity to review your answers, ensuring no stone is left unturned. With these strategies in your arsenal, you're well on your way to achieving your target band score. Thank you for being part of today's session. Best of luck in achieving your target IELTS score.